G'day, Mal from Sutto's Power Sports here. We're just going to run through the 21 model Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo RR RC, rock crawling version obviously. This machine is what we believe the best equipped side-by-side on the market and the best value for money. It is expensive, however everything this machine comes with is it's fit for purpose, I guess is the best way to describe it. So we'll start at the top. Comes with the alloy roof, a bit more protection. You also get the front intrusion bars. Obviously, A, it stops stuff coming inside. B, if you do happen to roll over, it just increases the strength of the roll cage. At the front of the machine, you get a front bar and a winch. In the event that you do get stuck, it can help pull you out. Also has a 32-inch tyre, beadlock wheels, so you have the ability to drop your tyre pressures for added traction. You then get to the doors. You get an actual door bottom, which stops stuff coming in there, obviously. Sticks, rocks, sand when you're driving. You have harnesses on the machine, obviously for added safety. You also have a full UHMW, which is actually chopping board material. It's a skid plate that goes from the front of the vehicle all the way to the back to help you slide over rocks. Metal has a tendency to catch and burr and also bend, whereas the plastic will go back to its natural shape. You get the front A-arm guards in that kit as well. You get rear trailing arm guards, which also protect the trailing arms. Rock sliders as well. Everything that's on this vehicle is designed for rock crawling, hence why it's called RC. You add all those accessories onto the vehicle and it's nearly $10,000 over what the standard price is. So this vehicle is equipped with that from factory, hence why we believe it's the best equipped side-by-side on the market. Also has 195 horsepower, so when you want to go fast, it can go fast. This machine is really dual purpose. It can go race in the desert and then you can slow down and go that rock crawling. Big Fox coilovers front and back, very hard to beat this machine. It's such good value for money. And the final feature, which is right across their X3 range, is also that fully locking front diff, which has the ability again to enhance that rock crawling function. You have different settings for high speed and low speed. Again, just another reason why this vehicle is the best value side by side on the market.